Okay, so the instruction says use the general ledger accounts from your work together 8-2. Prepare a post-closing trial balance for the delivery service on July 31st. So that's going to be this blank page with all the lines on it. Page 167. And then all you're going to need is just the one page from the general ledger. Page 159 and 160. So I'm going to flip back a page to the example in the book. So if you've got your books, that's on page 216. So the first part we're going to start with is the heading. Darlene's delivery service. Post-closing trial balance. And I think it said July 31st. I'll just write the current year on there. So the next step was we're going to list all of these accounts, the cash through the prepaid insurance. So here's our cash account. So cash, credit. And we're going to use our ledger balances, $7,350 debit. So that goes over here in the debit column, $7,350. Next one. Let's see, on this one we don't have a petty cash. So we look at the next examples, which I know are blurry. So we've got our accounts receivables.
What page is it on?
167. So we look at our general ledgers. We've got two account receivables.
You said 8-2.
So account receivable, Romel Woods. $372 debit. $372 debit. Our other AR account for Wyatt Ames. Then his debit balance is $88. And then we'll just go down to the next one. Got supplies. So remember our supplies after we had the credit entry from the worksheet. Our balance on supplies is $250, debit. And then our next one after supplies, prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance, we have our debit balance of $900 for the prepaid insurance. It's $900 for that. And then the next one, account after that, after our prepaid insurance, their accounts payable for coal and gas. That's $975 credit. Then we'll just go over to the other side. And we have another accounts payable for Grand Uniforms. That's $212. Then the next one down is Darlene Wong Capital. And our last account balance for hers was the $7,773 credit, because that's the most current balance. Credit. So go back and look at the book here. So you can see the example in the book. It ends on the capital account, just like in the example. And then what we're going to do, the last step, is just add up the two columns. And you can see in the book, they're equal, so they should be equal. So put total. I'm going to make one more solid line. $9, $716. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 19. I messed up here. I can't add.
89.60.
Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, sorry. Thanks. I can add. I got these old crappy glasses. My other one's broke. So 89.60. So the other side should be 89.60 also. 8, 9, 10, 13, 21, 26, 5, 8, 10. 19, 8. So that's what you should have for both sides. 89.60. Just put the double line underneath. And that's it.